long time ago, I was called King of Darkness. I come to your world, and I had taken away your joy and happiness. I enjoyed seeing you suffering with troubles, but I was very jealous of you. For no reason, I just wanted you to suffer. I later decided to use Dr. Soka to kill Peepus for, but he was not ready to do it. That's why I decided to take her woman Niashi, and I told Dr. Soka to open private hospital in Africa, in one capital city, whenever he wants, and he chooses one. Requirements, but I forget one.